Everybody, welcome back. Today I've got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can save Instagram reels to your gallery. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to be doing over here is simply gonna go ahead and open up your Instagram app likewise, and then from over here, when we are in the home section, we'll automatically go to the reel section from likewise when you tap on it. And here in this section we can browse through the reels, and if you want to simply download them to our gallery, we have to tap on this share icon, and if they allow the download, you will find this little download icon. I'm going to tap on this download icon, and you can see download without audio, because this particular audio is not available in my country or region, so I cannot have this audio. I will have the video, the reel, but without the audio instead. So I'm going to tap on cancel, but if I tap on this little download icon and tap on download, this video will start downloading on my gallery itself, and I can later on check it out. So I can tap on download, the downloading has started, and that's basically how it works. And once the downloading has been done, I can go to my gallery, and there you go, the video has been available. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.